Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna attempt to take off the wrap. It's been fun. I got it done for SEMA, and it's very bright, catches a lot of attention, but I kind of want to go back to the clean look, so we're gonna attempt to take off the wrap. Never done it before, so hopefully I don't mess it up. I was hoping today was a little bit sunnier because it helps with removing the wrap, but I got a heat gun and we'll give it a try. All right, we're gonna start off here on the hood, and what we want to do is get it all heat up first. That way the wrap is loose and has a less chance of pulling the paint. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going off of logic, and hopefully this works out. All right, first panel done. Not too bad. There's a couple areas like here in the corner. Let's see, right there. I think there's still some glue or some tack or whatever it is they use. So hopefully that buffs out. But overall, not too bad. Came up fairly easy. Just gonna have to keep doing the rest. All right, we're about halfway there. We got one side done. Still got the roof, the other side, and the back, and then the wheels, obviously. There's a couple of areas where paint lifted, which is down there. So I do have some touch-ups I need to do, but overall not too terribly bad. Let's just keep rolling. All right, guys, this is pretty much gonna do it for this unwrapping. It's 90% done. The only area I need to work on is back here, but I need to take the wing off in order to do that part, and I got to go back to my regular day job. There is some areas that needs to be addressed. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, I got some paint that peeled up. There's an area down here, and then I'm pretty sure back here it's gonna be kind of the same thing, because in the beginning it was already starting to peel. Like for example, right there. There's this area right here as well, but that was probably from my previous wrap to protect the fender. Other than that, that's basically the majority of it. So I'm gonna have to redo the front end anyway, so at some point it's gonna get resprayed. So overall, not too bad. Yeah, I know you can't see much, but my hands are like torn, like skin peeling off, blisters. Yeah, that was not fun. It wasn't hard, but it wasn't fun. All right, we got some paint that are peeling up in the back, and yeah, I kind of figured that was gonna happen because the paint was already kind of peeling up before, but just made it worse. But we'll see if we can cover that up. All right, pretty much all done with taking off the wrap and cleansing the fender wells and doing touch-ups where paint peeled off. Overall, came out pretty good. Got it washed nice and clean, and she's back to being a nice cruiser. So I'm starting to dig the neon on the wheels and on the windshield, so I'm probably gonna keep that for a little bit. But there she is. Catch you guys next time.